Hi everyone, this is Srilata, working as Maths faculty in KKR Gautam School. Today I would like to teach about mensuration. What is mensuration? Mensuration means to measure the perimeter and area by using different geometrical figures. First of all, let us discuss about the definitions of perimeter and area. What is perimeter? Perimeter means to measure the sum of all the sides along its boundaries. The sum of all the sides along its boundaries is called as perimeter. Let us take one example. This is one of the geometrical figures. We know that it is a rectangle. It has two lengths and two breadths. Both the lengths are equal and again both the breadths are equal. To measure the perimeter means the sum of all the sides along its boundaries. The rectangle namely A, B, C and D. So perimeter is equals to AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Next we discuss about area. Area means the region enclosed by a body is called its area. For example, I take one circular region. How much of region enclosed by a body is called its area? The sum of all the sides along its boundaries is called its perimeter. The region enclosed by a body is called its area. Now let us discuss some geometrical figures of areas and perimeters. First figure, area and perimeter. The first figure is, this is square. Square means all the four sides are equal in length and the two diagonals are equal in length. It is A, B, C and D. Here the length of AB is equals to, length of BC is equals to, the length of CD is equals to, the length of D. All the sides are equal in length. If the side A units you can take. Area of square formula is side into side. Simply we say it as side square. Here A units we take, A into A is equals to A square. Perimeter. Perimeter formula is 4 into side. That implies 4 into A is equals to 40. Area we measured in square units. If it is in centimeters, centimeter square or meters, centimeter square. If it is in meters, the area we can measure in square meters. Area we measured in square units. This one we measured in only units. Either it is meters or centimeters. For example, consider one square of 4 centimeters. Find its area and perimeter. Area is equals to, the formula for square is side into side. That is equals to 4 into 4 is equals to 16. It is in centimeters, so centimeter square or otherwise square centimeters. Now perimeter. Perimeter is equals to 4 into side. That is equals to 4 into 4. That is equals to 16 centimeters. This is the formula for area of square and perimeter of square. Next figure is rectangle. This is rectangle A, B, C, D. This is length of the rectangle denoted by L, and this is breadth of the rectangle denoted by B. Area of rectangle formula is length into breadth, and perimeter of rectangle is, it has two lengths and two breadths. Two L plus 2B. If we take 2 as common, 2 of L plus B. So area formula is L into B and perimeter formula is 2 of L plus B. For example, find area and perimeter of rectangle. This is 5 centimeters and this is 3 centimeters. Area formula is, area is equals to, area of rectangle formula is L into B, that is equals to 5 into 3 is equals to 15 square centimeters. Now perimeter. Perimeter is equals to 2 times of L plus B. 2 of 5 plus 3, that is equals to 2 of 8 is equals to 16 centimeters. These two are the formulas for area and perimeter of rectangle. Now let us go into the next geometrical figure, that is triangle. This is triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. This is base of the triangle and this is altitude. Altitude is nothing but height of the triangle. This is height, this is base. So area of the triangle. Area of the triangle formula is half into base into height. That implies half into AB into CD. This is the area of triangle, half BH. And perimeter of triangle is sum of all the sides. So perimeter is equals to S1 plus S2 plus S3. S1 is nothing but first side and S2 is nothing but second side and S3 is nothing but third side. AB plus BC plus CA. S1 is nothing but AB plus BC plus CA. These two are the formulas for area of triangle and perimeter of the triangle. Let us take one example. Find area and perimeter of triangle ABC. This is the triangle. This is the altitude. This is 3 centimeters and this is 5 centimeters. This is 2 centimeters and this is 1 centimeter. A, B, C. First of all, we find out area. Area of triangle formula is half into base into height. Here, AB is not base. In this particular triangle, AB is not base because the height falls on side BC. So, BC we consider it as base and AD is height. So, half into base is BC and height is AD. Half into 2 into 1. 2 we can cancel to get 1 centimeter square. Now perimeter. Perimeter of triangle formula is sum of all the sides, S1 plus S2 plus S3. S1 is nothing but 3 centimeters and S2 is nothing but 2 centimeters and S3 is nothing but 5 centimeters to get 10 centimeters. These two are the formulas for triangle, area and perimeter. Let us discuss about next geometrical figures, that is parallelogram. Parallelogram. Parallelogram means both the sides are parallel to each other. A, B, C and D. Both the two sides are parallel to each other. If we draw an altitude on base. So area of parallelogram formula is B into H. Area of parallelogram formula is base into height. Perimeter formula. Perimeter of parallelogram is 2 of base plus sides. Here 2 bases, here 2 sides. 2 times of base plus side. These two are the formulas for area and perimeter of parallelogram. For example, find the area of parallelogram. This is 3 centimeters and this is 5 centimeters. Area of parallelogram ABCD is equals to area is equals to base into height. So A is equals to, here base is nothing but AB and height is nothing but BE. 5 into 3 is equals to 15 square centimeters. These two are the formulas for area and perimeter of parallelogram. Next figure is circle. This is the circle and the fixed point is called as center of the circle denoted by O. From fixed point to any point on the circle is called its radius denoted by the letter small r. So length of OA is equals to radius small r. Area of circle formula is pi r square. Pi r square. Pi is an irrational number and the value of pi is, we should take it as 22/7 or 3.14. Radius is OA. And perimeter is nothing but the total length of the circle. It means circumference. So circumference C is equals to 2 pi r. 2 is a numerical value and pi is an irrational number. Pi value we consider it as 22/7 or 3.14. R means radius. For example, find area and circumference of circle. Radius is 7 units. Suppose area A is equals to, formula is pi r square. Pi value we consider it as 22/7 and OA is radius. Radius is equals to 7. 7 into 7. 7 cancel to get 154 square centimeters. This is area of the circle. Now circumference of the circle small c is equals to 2 pi r. Circumference is nothing but total length of the circle. Total length of the circle means it is called as circumference. C is equals to 2 numerical number and pi value is 22/7 and radius is 7. 7 cancel to get 44 centimeters. These two are the formulas for area and perimeter of circle.